Today we have a special treat. The guys from Auxito sent me some more lights to test out here. And I'm a big fan of LED lights, replacing your standard low incandescent bulbs in your headlights, taillights, turn signals, whatever, with LEDs. So they asked me what I could use, and I'm getting some red LED lights here. So these are looking pretty good here. These are the 7443, 7440 that are pretty common for a lot of tail lights, brake lights, and so on. So let's stick these in, replace what we have, and see how they look. Now today I'm going to be trying them out on an 05 Honda Accord. So if we look right here, I've got the lights on. So here are the tail lights as they are now. You can see we've got the one set right there in the corner and one actually in the trunk. So just have the lights on, and it's a bit late in the day but not quite dark, so we can sort of see that. Anyways, thought I would start with our standard lights before we make the change. So I've got just one pair here for the rear lights. And we'll take a look at these. They come packaged up really nicely. Have this nice sealed package here for the two lights, and we'll just kind of pop this one out, take a look at it. So it looks like your standard LED light. So you can see the LEDs there. We've got on the top, there we go, better view, and on the sides. Let's pop this in and see how it works. Luckily on this Accord it's not too difficult to get to the lights. Just open up this panel and give it a little turn and pop it out. So here's our standard light. We'll just get rid of that. There we go. Got some gunk in there too. So let's make sure that's all cleaned out. And we'll try the Auxito LED. Just put that right in, slide it in where it goes. There's what it looks like going in. I just popped it in and it went in. Sometimes these have a polarity, and if they don't go in one way or they don't work, you have to switch, turn it around. I don't know if that's the case. I just popped it in and it worked. So anyway, nice and bright. You see that? LEDs, obviously much better than the standard bulbs you get. So let's install these and see what they look like. As a comparison there, you can see I put the one LED in, and that's on the left. We can see the others there. Definitely seems to be better than the stock bulb. Let's put the other one in. As a comparison, just seeing the bulb by itself, there's our standard incandescent pulled out and ready to be replaced. And there's the Auxito red LED. Now I like red for red lights, obviously. You may think, well, I've got the red lens here, so white would be fine. The truth is, if you think about it, white emits light in all ranges of the visible spectrum, and then the red lens blocks it out, only allows the red light to come through. So if you have a red light to begin with, that's more light that's passing through because the red lens isn't blocking any of the other light. So red behind red is actually a good idea for things like brake lights and tail lights. And there we have both the red LED tail lights in, just for the standard backup, or not backup, but standard back rear lights here. Definitely much better. You can see right next to them on the trunk is a standard incandescent bulb, and the LEDs are much better, much brighter. But that's a different bulb. It's not a 7440 or 7443. It's a little smaller one. So I would need a different red LED to replace that one, which I might do. That's kind of a good comparison to see the standard there compared to the new LEDs. So LEDs, especially red, definitely the way to go. And these ones by Auxito are recommended. They'll work for you.